St. Louis definitely has almost an obsession with things being made by hand. It's a place that I can reflect. It's also a place that will spark ideas and inspire me. People will be delighted by just how much of the selection that there is at Menards. It's definitely a one-stop shop. So when I'm picking out wood, every single board in the world is different, and that's pretty cool just in itself. So when you have a piece of furniture that's made out of wood, it's always unique. The very first time I walked into my shop, I knew that that was where I wanted to be. There's just a lot of grandeur to the space, and so I feed off of that. I think that when your profession requires creativity, you have to actually love what it is that you do, because a lot of creativity is emotion. And if you're not in a good place emotionally, I think that shows up in your work. If things are flowing, then you're firing on all pistons. And that's kind of how I actually think about it. It's like I want to be in a good space when I'm making. I love what I do. I care about what I do. And so that's magical. There's always a sense of gratification, and that never gets old.